Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel. Okay, this lesson is science lesson and this is special for grade 4. Unit 2 about light, transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay, are you ready to start the lesson? Let's check this out. And what is the definition of transparent? Okay, when light hits a transparent object, the light passes through it. Okay, if you want to know the example, you can see this experiment. Next is translucent. Translucent objects allow only some light to pass through them, so objects behind them appear blurred. And this is the example of translucent object. The third is about the definition of opaque. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them at all. So, this is an opaque object, no light passing through an opaque object. This is the experiment. Object around us. You can guess. Water is transparent. Clear plastic is transparent. Rock. Okay, I know this is an opaque. Frosted glass. Frosted glass is a kind of translucent. Clear glass is transparent. Tracing paper is translucent object. Book is opaque. Tree is opaque object. Wax is translucent. Wooden block is opaque. Magnifying glass. I think this is a transparent. Flower vase is an opaque object. Tinted glass is a translucent object. Air around us is transparent. Tinted paper is translucent. And about human body is an opaque. Water bottle is translucent. Pillow, it is an opaque. Laptop, it's an opaque too. Mug is an opaque. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I think it's enough for science lesson for today. See you in my next lesson. If you think this lesson is useful, don't forget to click like and then subscribe this channel. And share to your lovely friends and family or the others. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.